FDA bans red number 3, what it means for consumer safety. Introduction. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has officially announced a ban on red number 3, a widely used synthetic dye found in candies, cereals, beverages, and certain medications. This decision follows decades of research highlighting the dye's potential health risks, including carcinogenic effects in laboratory animals and behavioral concerns in children. With the ban set to take full effect by January 2027 for food products and January 2028 for ingested drugs, the move marks a major shift in the regulation of artificial additives in the U.S. food supply. The health concerns behind red number 3. Red number 3, also known as erythrocin, has long been a topic of controversy due to its potential risks. Research dating back to the early 1980s demonstrated that the dye caused thyroid tumors in laboratory animals, raising concerns about its carcinogenic potential in humans. Additionally, studies suggest that synthetic food dyes, including red number 3, may contribute to hyperactivity and behavioral issues in children, particularly those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. Despite these concerns, the FDA previously allowed red number 3 to remain in the food supply even after banning it in cosmetics in 1990. This inconsistency has been criticized by health advocates who argued that if a substance was deemed unsafe for topical application, it should not be permitted in food and medication. Regulatory pressure and advocacy efforts. Consumer protection organizations, such as the Center for Science in the Public Interest, CSPI, have been advocating for the removal of red number 3 from food products for years. The FDA's recent decision reflects growing public demand for stricter regulations on synthetic additives and aligns with similar actions taken by regulatory bodies in other countries. Several European nations have already banned or severely restricted artificial dyes like red number 3, favoring natural alternatives such as beet juice, turmeric, and paprika extract. In contrast, the U.S. has historically been slower to regulate food additives, prompting calls for stronger consumer protections. The future of artificial food dyes. While the ban on red number 3 is a step forward for consumer safety, many other artificial food dyes remain in widespread use. Synthetic dyes such as red number 40, yellow number 5, and blue number 1 have also been linked to potential health risks, including allergic reactions and neurological effects in sensitive individuals. As the food industry prepares to comply with the new regulations, some companies are already transitioning to natural colorants. Many major food brands have begun reformulating their products to eliminate synthetic dyes, responding to increased consumer preference for clean-label foods with fewer artificial ingredients. Conclusion. The FDA's decision to ban red number 3 represents a significant milestone in food safety regulation, reflecting decades of scientific research and consumer advocacy. While this move addresses one synthetic dye, the broader conversation about artificial food additives continues. As awareness grows, further regulatory action may be necessary to ensure the safety and transparency of the food supply. Consumers can take proactive steps by reading ingredient labels, opting for products with natural colorants, and staying informed about developments in food safety regulations.